Hey everyone, Alicia Gant with Stanley Realtors. Just finished up an open house, so I was going to do a video walkthrough of the house of those of you that didn't get to make it or would like to see it. It's out on 1227 Phillips Road in Anderson, South Carolina. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and let's see. Let me switch it over so I can start showing you the house. Let's see. There we go. Awesome. There we go. As you first walk in, you have the stairwell that goes up to 2 bedrooms and a bath. But right when you walk in, it's hardwood flooring. And off to the right is the master bedroom, which I will thumb through. It's carpeted. It's $284.9, you guys. And we had an open house today, and we had a few show up. So, you know, it is Sunday, and I don't know how popular open houses are anymore, you guys. So give me feedback on that. Do you ever go to open houses? That's the bathroom, and of course the master bedroom. We're going to walk back through and go upstairs. And there's 2, identical bedrooms upstairs, and it has a bathroom in between them. And one on the right and one on the left, and they look to be identical if you have 2 kids. And then the bathroom. Just step back and you can see it. And of course, the other bedroom, identical as you can see. And we'll step downstairs. And let's see, this home here is a little under an acre, a little over 2,600 square feet. So you got a lot of room. Again, you have a living room area, flows into your dining room and the kitchen, which leads off to the garage and an additional bedroom upstairs. There's another way. So you got another den through here that leads out to the deck. And let's go through here first, and I'll take you out there. But the kitchen, you can see the kitchen it's not a very big kitchen, but it's not small either, because it's still open. It opens up to an area where you can eat. All right, you have here a laundry closet, then here a half bath, which you can see, small half bath. And this is where I was talking about a 4th bedroom or bonus room that leads upstairs. It's another staircase on the back part of the house, which of course leads out to your garage. And it's a 2-car garage. Nothing fancy. It's nice. Okay, let's go upstairs and show you this. It's just a bonus room, and it has another bathroom, which is nice. Fairly big. And there's the 3rd bath. Okay. Well, we'll hop down and I'll show you the deck. It has boat storage. It has a barn that has an upstairs flooring to it, so it could be easily, there's so many options. It could be a shop. It could be it can make it into an apartment if you wanted to. If you have a son or a daughter that want to move out to the side, I don't know, whatever you want to use it for. Okay, we come out. It is a beautiful home, Melanie. It is. We had a few folks show up for the open house. It was great. It's always nice to get some feedback. There's the barn, boat storage, or camper, you know, because you have a little utility building. And it's peaceful out here. And then, like I said, it's got an upstairs. I'm not going to walk up in there. I unlocked it earlier, but it's nice. I mean, okay, well, you guys tell me what you think. I'll post up more pictures of this home on my page, which you can probably see if you go onto my page, and you can see additional pictures or whatever you might like to look at. Or if you have questions, let me know. Or if you got feedback, hey, let me know that too. Anything will be nice to know. Is it the layout? What is it? The kitchen. Is the kitchen too small? The kitchen's ideal. It's got beautiful hardwood floors. I think the kitchen, to me, because it's open, it doesn't seem so small. It kind of just flows. Everything flows. So, I don't know. Tell me what you think. And I'll post to the outside. There's a gentleman outside cutting grass across the street, so I don't want to, it gets kind of loud. But you can see it's a nice little front yard. Nice little neighborhood. It's not a subdivision, but it is a nice little area. And again, the master room comes off. Okay, well, I think I showed. Just let me know if you have any questions, or like I said, I will post some additional pictures up of the property. And if you want to schedule a showing of this home, just let me know. I got free time next week. I can meet you out at the property and kind of answer more questions. But if you know anybody that's looking in Anderson, the home is near the lake. I think let's see, let me get my notes. I do apologize. I think the road is where the boat ramp's located. Yeah, Lakewood Lane. I wanted to say it right. Lakewood Lane is where the boat ramp is, so you can put your boat in there, which is like less than 5 minutes from this house. So let me know. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and it's got a 2-car garage, got a boat storage, it has a barn in the back, and a utility building. It's a little under an acre of land, so it's a lot of house, a little over 2,600 square feet. So if you have any questions, let me know. Again, I'm Alicia Gant with Jackson Stanley Realtors. Thank you. And let me cut it off somehow. I'll get it off in a minute, you guys.